Hi guys, as promised, I come to share my latest in my home buying chronicles with you. Want to let you know that I am under contract for a home, one of the last three. Which one do you think it is? I did choose one, and if everything goes as expected, we will be in a new home here in 2021. I'm looking forward to the move and everything going well. It's been a journey, as you know. Um, Everything hasn't gone as I anticipated, but we're chugging right along. Let me know which one you think that I chose at the end or down in the comments. And the big reveal will be coming 2021. Love you much. Thanks. Bye. This is the house that I was under contract for. While it's a beautiful home and had everything I needed and there were no major issues, after the inspection, which cost $200, because of all the work that it was going to require after I moved in, probably a upward towards of $20,000, I decided not to continue on and drop the contract on this home. This is when I made the decision to probably lean more towards a new build and let go of kind of looking in this area. Like I said, this is a lovely home, and whoever gets the home, if they put the work into it, it will be a nice home. Had everything I needed, but like I said, it just needed like new windows and new fence and work done to the yard that was just going to cost entirely too much money. Had to walk away from this property. But nice home. I made the decision to go down to Mississippi and look at the new bills after the inspector got through speaking on the last home I showed you, which I was under contract for. The new bill is lovely. What can you say about a new bill? You know, you would be the first one in a home. It has everything I needed. Of course, this is kind of the base model. No upgrades in this one. For one of the things I wanted, it would be the walk-in shower. I would have to either forego having a bathtub in there or either have an upgrade for the different bathroom model of this home. And of course, I would need to buy, appliances such as washer and dryer and refrigerator for the home. It's in a lovely neighborhood in Mississippi called Olive Branch. And it's actually closer to where I work now than, and I do work in Memphis. It's actually closer to my job now than where I'm currently living. But like I said, this if you want to live in Mississippi versus Tennessee, it comes with some negatives and positives. But overall, it's a very lovely neighborhood. I never could figure out why they, the hot water tank. As soon as I made up my mind that I was going to kind of lean toward the new build, these two homes came up on the market. This first one, I saw them both on the same day. As a matter of fact, it was three, but I decided to cancel the last viewing. This first one is just a beautiful, absolutely lovely home. The colors are not my design, aesthetic, so to speak. I'm more of a plain person, but she had this home decorated very nicely. They have already started moving out of the home. All the appliances would convey if I choose this home. But like I said, the home's very lovely and had everything, as you can see, that I needed for the home. Lovely washer and dryer unit, and the refrigerator would stay in this home. It was just enough house for me. Beautiful home. Again, they have done a lot of upgrades to the home. This was the second home I viewed. They have done upgrades in this home as well. Not too far from where I currently live. As a matter of fact, it's about a 3-minute drive. Very lovely home. Blank slate, neutral palette, everything that I needed within the home. Nice, quiet neighborhood. The only thing about this house is the yard is not fenced. But like I said, just an absolutely lovely home. I will tell y'all I chose one of the homes